Hello everybody, in this video we will talk about how to create a data entry form in a Microsoft Excel. The data entry form in a Microsoft Excel is very important for the filtering the data, for updating your table. This is the table that we have. This is a very small table, but in the reality there is a lot of data in the table like this one. If you want to put something into this table, you want to update this table, you have to scroll down and you have to scroll down, and then in this area you have to put new information here. So this is a very time wasting. How you can do this in the alternative method? There is an alternative method that you can do to save your time to put that into the table. So how you can do this? You have to you have to shift this data into the Microsoft Office official table. So for that you have to select, for that you have to put in somewhere in the table. You have to go to the insert, you have to click on this table, and then you have to say this, click OK. Now this is the design that I want to give to this data. Now I have to make the data entry form for this table. So there is very easy. So for that you have to go to the quick access toolbar, and I have already make this. This is the data entry form. But how you can bring this to the quick access bar? You have to click on this. You have to go to the more commands and not to the popular commands, not to the all commands, but the command not in the ribbon. You have to go to the command not in the ribbons, and after that you have to go to the F, and from the F category you have to click on this F form, and you have to add this. I have already added this, so it don't need. So here you can see that I have in the quick access bar I have save, undo, redo, and form. Click on OK. Now the form would be appear in this area. So here click on this form, and now this is the data entry form that we have. This is here you can go to the next, you can go to the next, and you can go to the previous data and data entity. Now we have the criteria. If you want to search for something, if there is a lot of data, if you want to search in one specific data, how you can do this? For example, you are interested in the customer name, for example Emily Payne. Click enter, and this is all the information that is related to the Emily Payne. The order quantity is 27. Here the order quantity it is 27, $192.814 sales, and here is $192.814. So in this way you can you can use your data entry form. For example, if you want to put something new in this, or if you want to analyze your profit like this one, you have to go to the criteria. I need those profit which are, for example, which are greater than $50. You have to click on enter. Now if you want to see the profit which have greater than $50, you have to click on the find next, and you will only see which have the profit greater than the $50. So in this way you have the the price I enter in the price, not in the profit. So you can see only in the unit price you can see only more than the $50, and if you are going to the previous you can only see that. So if you want to put something new in this in your table, for example the order is, for example, 15, the order date is this one, the order quantity is this, sale is this, profit is this, unit price this, and a customer name is, for example, James, and click on enter, and here you can see that the table has been updated easily, and you can see the profit you can see the sales, you can see the customer name, etc. anything. So in this way you can use the data entry form into the Microsoft Excel. You can do something else as well. For example, you can also give the data validation to the data entry form. You have to go to the data validation, and for example in the customer list you only need the text, not the numbers. For that you have to go to the data validation, and you have, for example, text length. You can anything, you can put something like that in the customer name the minimum number should to be 5 and the maximum number should to be 40. So the maximum number of the alphabet. Okay, and now you can see that, for example, if you want to go to the form in new record, this is the order quantity of 16, this is the order date, again this one, the order quantity is this, no, this, and for example the customer name is Han, so it would not appear this because I have give the validation to the data that it would not make the allow the customer name which have less than 5 alphabets. So you can use the data validation also to the data entry form, and you can use this in this way. So here is what you understand the data entry form in Microsoft Excel, how to give the validation to the data entry form, and how to use the data validation form in a Microsoft Excel. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to this channel.